Yes, yes. What it do, cuz? It's your Cuddy, Slick, and I'm here with another cool video. Ya right, mean? Okay, today we're gonna be taking a quick look and cracking open Tektalk wireless doorbell. Real quick, let me show where you get it from. Go to Amazon.com. Now the price for this bad boy is $14.99. So you're looking at $15. Real quick, let's look at some of the photos of the product that we gonna be cracking open. Cool little presentation of the product. Definitely digging the wireless tech on this bad boy. Real gooey. Real gooey. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, before we crack it open, let's go over some of the features that we have on this bad boy. Yaddy yaddy. This here is an IP44 waterproof material doorbell. This here is a flat surface and dust-proof design. Allows for easy cleaning. It comes with 36 chimes and 4 volume levels of the sound effects. Real gooey. 4-grade sound adjustment gives you completely control over the volume of your door chimes. Good option for naps time without disturbance, your baby, your children, etc. So overall, this bad boy is a go. The distance of this bad boy is 280 millimeters, approximately 1,000 feet. So you can really stretch it out and still have good connection. Real gooey. Real gooey. Yes. Now here it is, a Tektalk wireless doorbell. And with no further ado, let's crack it open. First off, nice presentation on the product. Let's see. Oh, let's check out the battery. Let's see. Okay, there's a battery doorbell unit. All right. They show you the features, some of the features that we have down here. You got the AC adapter, 12 volt. You see right there, up to 1,000 feet open area. Nice. 36 chimes, a whole 9 yards. So, yeah. So let's crack it open and see what it look like on the inside. Ooh. All right. Inside the package, you got your instruction manual book. Nice. You got your, see what this is? Okay, your screws to bolt it against the wall. What is this? Is this a battery? I think it is. If I get out. Okay. Oh, you got your little battery right here. All right. Goes in the unit. You got your screwdriver, flathead. The doorbell itself. When you plug into the wall. Nice. So that when you hear your ding dong. Or whatever chime you choose to use. Let's see what else we have. All right. Now this is your doorbell. Okay. Yeah, this is your doorbell. I believe. You know, outside. Let's see what else we have. What is this? Oh, another big unit. Oh, man. So you get 2 of these. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice. So you get 2 of these. Oh, that's beautiful. You can plug one in the living room and then plug one in the back room or wherever you decide you want to plug it at. And your doorbell right here. Nice. Okay. So let's connect it together and see how it sounds. Nice. Hang tight. Okay, now I got everything hooked up and plugged in, which is very easy and simple to do. All right, first off, the battery that it came with, you put it in your doorbell right here. These, you ain't got to worry about no battery. You just plug into the wall. You're good to go. So, let's take off the plastic on this one. So you see the effect and look on this bad boy. The gloss. Real nice. All right. To put in the battery, you see a little groove right there? Now, what I had to do, I can't pop it over my nail because it's on there sealed tight because it's waterproof. So what I did, I took the flathead screwdriver that it came with and I stuck it in here like this, and I just kind of gently just kind of turn it or just pop it open like this. There it goes. Push down a little bit and this will pop open, and then you go ahead and, because once it's on there, it's on there. So that's what I had to do. See? And then, oh, there it is. And once you put the battery in there, just close it back up. Make sure it's all snapped together. Nice and down, as you can see. And it works. Just hit the button. And it's nice and loud. So, now, I haven't figured out how to change the effect on this bad boy, but we're going to figure it out together. Okay, let me pull this off. Look how nice and shiny that is. Definitely digging the volume on this bad boy. It is pretty loud. You can turn it up or turn it down. I'm not sure. Let's see if I can figure out how to switch or change the tone. Okay. I'm not sure how to change the tone, so I'm going to take this one to the books. Hang tight. Iddy, and I'm back. Okay, I had to take it to the books real quick on how to change the volume and the tone, the sound effect on this doorbell. But before I get to that, real quick, the red tab that I pulled out, this is your sticky pad for the doorbell. So you put this on the flat surface, boop, peel this off, put it on the flat surface, boop, take this, stick it on there, you got your doorbell up. Real gooey. Now, to change the volume, I'm going to show you on this one. To change the volume, they got a little button on the side. Let's see if you can see it. All right. So, as you can see right here, this is your volume rocker going down, and this right here is your change your music, the tone, the sound effect. So if you want to turn it down, all you got to do is push this button, and it will go all the way down to the lowest point. Then when you hit it again, when it's at the lowest point, it's going to start back over at level 4. So you get, or level 5, level 4, how many levels there is? I believe it's level 4. So level 4, you get 4 levels of highness. So when you tap it 4 times, you can tap all the way down to 1. And if you want to go back to high, tap it again, it will automatically go back to high. All right. So if I want to change the sound effect, like I said, you can hear it yourself. You can. And right now I got the volume on the highest 1. All right. So let's change it again. And then this is how you turn it down. As you can see. Back up. So let's count it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your lowest 1. Oh, 4. That's your lowest 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is 5. Tap it again. You're on the highest 1. I definitely like that one. I might keep it on that one, but I like that. Ooh, that one's real loud. What? What was that? Oh yeah, I like that one. Oh yeah, I like that one. I'm gonna have to keep it on that one. But as you can see, and then once you have it set, you hit the little button. Is it working? Ah, dang it. Okay, let me set it again. Yeah, I like that one. Alright, let me see if it's set. Yep, it is. Yeah, I like that one. That's gonna be my doorbell ring right there. Classic cat. Yes, she has. So, very easy, very simple. It don't take hard to set up. So all you gotta do is put the battery in there, plug these in the walls where you want to place them at, where you hear your doorbell, set the volume, set your tone, how you want to set it, stick this on the wall, boom, or you can screw it on there. Stick it on the wall, boom. I don't know what the screw is for, but you can stick it on the wall, and you're pretty much good to go and rock out. Nice. I'm definitely digging this. I'm definitely liking it. Let's plug both of them in and see how loud it really is on this janky extension cord. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted. Let's, God darn it. Get in here, son. Okay. Let's see how it sounds. So you said all individually. That's dope. Yeah, I like that one. That's one I like right there. All right, let's see how it sounds. Come on. Yes, yes. Ugh. Come on. Yes, yes. That's my doorbell ring right there. But overall, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's your Tektalk wireless doorbell right here. Not bad for $15. Cool to have if you live in like in an apartment that got the doorbells, or you looking for and put it in a warehouse, etc. Anything that don't have a doorbell. It's pretty cool to have, in your home or at your spot or wherever. You know what I mean? Real gooey. Shout out to everyone that's following me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Shout out to everyone that's following me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel under Cuddy Slick. That's CUTTYSLICK. All one word, no space. And if you want to connect into my social network, just Google Cuddy under Gangsta Slick. That's GANGSTASLICK. And shout out to everyone that's following me on Snapchat and SoundCloud under Gangsta Slick. This Tektalk wireless doorbell right here is Yaremi. Cool item I have for if you stay in the place that have no doorbell and you need a doorbell. Yada. Definitely digging the tones on this bad boy. Liking the classical, the whole 9 yard. Cool little gadget to have. Easy setup, the whole 9 yard. Good. And before I go, ladies, fellas, say it with me. You punk rock beat. Don't hate what I got. Just picture me rolling and watch how I rock. It's your Cuddy, Slick, and I'm out as beat. Yes, yes.